Hi there, lovelies. The crow spirit is for the rest of the day, number 17. Co create with spirit. Wow. Our first angel card is there's no need to worry. There is doors are opening up and there's a bright future ahead. Things are coming in slowly. It could be frustrating, but don't worry, it's coming in. Patience is a virtue. The next card is wait. Let me get it right here. Is wait. Things are coming to a full circle, and there can only be luck and good things coming our way. The High Priestess is with us as we carry on with our journey. And even if things are going slow, trust in your own knowing that things are working out for you. Peaceful resolution with whatever you up to today, and that's going to bring you lots of happiness in your home, in your relationships, just all round happiness. And the last card is the Temperance, abundance, fulfillment, happiness, connection. What a lovely day we're having today. God bless. Bye.